Hi all, welcome to C3X Diaries. This is Ajit Kate. Today is the 8th of July and in this video we're going to demonstrate some service cost calculator for C3X and Citroen vehicles. See that I'm looking at the Citroen India website right now, and if you go to the service section and go to service cost calculator, you could filter it out by the model you would like to see. I have taken C3X for example and I have chosen turbo since mine is a turbo variant. I can specify the location, which town or city are you from, and the system will automatically give you the approximate maintenance and service cost per 1,000 kilometers. So for the first 2,000 kilometer, the charges are nil, and then subsequently the charges are displayed on the screen. So you can see what is going to be changed at every interval. Uh, so the major changes are somewhere around the 80,000 bracket. See, you can see the labor charges are quite okay, but I don't know about the service quality. Mm. So here the rates are minimal 5,000 to 8,000, and here also they use total quarts as I mentioned, spark plug, three of them, and brake fluid is dot .4, quite good. Um, and then the major hit is here. Okay, if you reach the 80,000 service cost, the entire belt is going to be replaced. So 33,000 is going to be the service cost, and the complete belt kit is going to be replaced at 80,000 kilometer mark. Mm. So it costs 22 to 24,000 the unit price. So you can see the control belt is also going to be changed at that moment. So it's going to be a major service, and after that, this cost can reduce. See, it comes back to normalcy, and the 1 lakh kilometer is of zero quality, zero amount. So this is the approximate service cost for a C3X Turbo. But if I look at the NA variant, mm, the cost almost remains the same, or it can go down. See, the cost is much lesser when it comes to any variant. Even though the total quads is the same, the total fuel service cost is lesser. Um, the major hit for the NA variant comes somewhere 82, yeah, here. So again, for 80,000 service, the belt is going to be replaced. You see this? Control belt, brake fluid, pump belt, and the timing belt will be replaced by this 4,382. And at 90,000 service, it comes back to normalcy, and 1 lakh is zero. So most people have complained about the timing belt, but it's part of their regular 80,000 service interval kit change. So for the turbo as well as the NA variant, the belt is going to be replaced at this particular mark. So in case they are charging you, or your car is recommended for a timing belt at somewhere before the 80,000 kilometer mark, you have always have a question to ask them, because as per Citroen, regular maintenance is around 80,000 kilometer mark. So you can just question this part. And also, if I change the vehicle to some Aircross or um, even EC3X, I can get to know all of them at one single place. So you have something on the paper from Citroen India officially, and also you can compare this with the service bills which you get. So you can compare and identify the difference between these two. Are they the same, or this is just an approximate value given by the company? So that is what we have to identify. But as per Citroen India, this is the regular service schedule and the service cost for each of these models. I hope this helps all of you. I would request you to consider subscribing to the channel for more honest Citroen content, and also um, automobile market related content. I would like to expand that beyond Citroen as well, so that we get uniformed and informed decisions to all the prospective car buyers. And with that, We have also initiated the C3X Diary community, where you can be part of it, join our meetups, share your opinion, share your thoughts, and be informed. If you're someone who is willing to share your knowledgeable experience with the channel with me on and your honest ownership content about your car, do DM me on Instagram or leave a comment in YouTube, and I'll be happy to connect with you virtually. See you until the next video.